Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix Cash App not being available in your country or your region. So let's get right into it. Now, this might happen because Cash App is unavailable in your region, in which case you're pretty much out of luck. In that case, you won't be able to use Cash App. However, there might be a way around this, but even then it's gonna come with a lot of problems because it's not set up to work in a region where it's not allowed to work. So other than that, what you can do to fix this is you have a couple of different things which you might be able to try. It might be restricted due to regulatory or strategic reasons, and you can bypass this using a VPN. You can update the app or change your device's region settings, and that's pretty much the only thing that you can do. Now, to fix it, you just need to use a VPN. Just download it or use a free one or purchase one, subscribe to one, and just set your mask to be in a region where Cash App is allowed. After that, you might be able to actually install your Cash App, and once you do, you'll be able to set everything up. But pretty much just open the App Store, search for Cash App, and update or install it to see if that fixes it. And other than that, there really is nothing else that you can do. If it's region locked, it's region locked, and there's not much else that you can do. But you can try using a VPN. However, beware because, as I mentioned, you might come across a lot of problems doing this. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.